Kia ora anō. Welcome to part 3 in the series about kupu. In the last video, we talked about tū or nouns, and in this video, we'll look at the types of words that describe them, which are adjectives, or in Te Reo Māori, ngā Tūāhua. In the first Momo kupu video, we talked about pūtohu, he, te, and ngā. Then in video number 2, we looked at all sorts of different types of nouns, or tū. An example of this is the word for house, which is whare. Put them together, and we have he whare, a house. Te whare, the house. More than one house, ngā whare. Now, if we want to describe the house, we'll need to use an adjective or a tūāhua. Let's have a look at a house. Thinking of some adjectives now. While we do that, I'll just mention that the order of the words is in a different order than in the English translation. Where we would say a yellow house, the noun and the adjective, in Te Reo Māori is the other way around. A yellow house becomes he whare kōwhai. We could say it's a big house, he whare nui, or a warm house, he whare mahana, or the last one, a cosy house, he whare āhuru. If you wanted to, you could use two adjectives. He whare āhuru kōwhai, a cosy yellow house. Here's a few more examples of some adjectives. We've got some kupu tauaro, words with opposite meanings. And all of these words are adjectives because they can be used to describe nouns. Keep an eye out on the Tukua Te Reo website for digital copies of these resources. Here's another set of examples. These ones are kupu taurite, words that have similar meanings, or synonyms. I've made these images of kupu tauaro and kupu taurite into little posters that you can download from the website. Some fun ways to learn these kupu. Make some homemade flashcards and test yourself or a buddy. Make it into a game to see who can get the most answers right or who can answer them the quickest. You could go onto the website and download the WordCline template and use that instead. Another way of describing things is by using colours, and here's a few different ones for you. I'll pop this up on the website too. I hope you have fun learning these new words. Coming up next, we're going to be talking about Tūmahi, also known as kupu mahi, action words or verbs. Nā reira, e mihi atu ana kia koutou. Hei kona.